Assalamu alaikum. I am Monirullah. Today I will explaining how AES standard encryption encryption standard key expansion works using JavaScript. This process involves expanding initial encryption key using a specific operation defined by the AES algorithm. Today's objective, my goal is to understand and explore the code that perform AES key expansion. I will break down each step of the code to see how it functions. Let's dive into the code. First, I have to import an array. Array is defined by sbox and rcountable. The sbox array represents a substitution box used for byte substitution during key expansion, uh, while rcountable table this when these are table holds round continues for XOR operation. Next, there are utility functions called XOR hex this XOR hex that perform a bitwise XOR operation between two hexadecimal string. This function will be used within our main function. The main function is the SK expansion, is where the magic happens. It takes an initial 4 into 4 matrix of hexadecimal values, the car, current round key hexa, and expand it to produce a separate of new key, round. Key expansion process. Uh, how the expansion process works. First, I iterate each column of the input and matrix the current round hex I found from this here. Each for each column, I perform byte substitution using Sbox array, the substitution column Xbox array, and based on its hexadecimal representation. After substitution, I XOR the first byte of the column, XOR the first byte column by this line, and the constant the round of are in countable this round table. This is based on the column index. The processed column now represent a new round key, and push it to the new round keys arrays. Example, uh, let's see the key expansion is an action, and this is the example. I provided as an input the current round key hex, which is 4 by 4 matrix of uh, hexadecimal values. Executing the ASCII functions with this input key yard a list of new round keys. This is the and finally, if I run the code, I will found this. This is the output. In some destination expansion process involves byte substitution XOR operation with round constant and iteration generative of a new round keys based on the initial key. This I hope this is helpful. Feel free to explore the code further and experiment with different inputs here. Stay tuned for more exciting content on encryption and JavaScript. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.